Every business agreement begins with a contract, but creating it is just the first step. The real challenge? Managing it, from start to finish. That's the role of contract management. Contract management is the structured process of handling contracts throughout their entire life cycle, ensuring that terms are followed, deadlines are met, and value is delivered. It involves everything from drafting and negotiation to compliance monitoring, performance tracking, and renewals or termination. In short, it's how businesses keep promises, manage risk, and avoid costly disputes. Why does this matter? Poor contract management can lead to missed obligations, legal exposure, and financial losses. But effective management can improve supplier relationships, streamline procurement, and drive strategic growth. It's a multidisciplinary skill, combining legal knowledge, commercial awareness, and project oversight. From vendor agreements and NDAs to outsourcing deals and service contracts, managing them all requires precision, accountability, and systems that scale. At the Knowledge Academy, our contract management courses are designed to equip professionals with the expertise needed to oversee contracts confidently and compliantly across sectors. Ensure clarity, mitigate risk, deliver results. Master the full life cycle of business agreements with contract management training from the Knowledge Academy.